Imagine the sting of dawn smoke as the first human footprints mark an African plain. Around a fire, stories pass from mouth to ear. Shared tools, flame, and language create the first human network, a web of memory steering migrations across continents. Where migrations paused, roots took hold. Along the world's great rivers, the Nile, the Indus, the Yellow River, agriculture was born. Fields yielded surplus, and with surplus came new roles: planners, guards, and rulers. This abundance raised a question: how do we live together? The answer rose from the soil: granaries, plazas, then city-states and empires. Scattered bands became societies that taxed, wrote, and waged war. To manage this new complexity, writing turned speech into record, and law turned custom into command. In the classical age, great empires gave their answers. Persian roads connected a vast domain. Greek democracy tested citizenship. Rome scaled both, weaving law into daily life. Across Asia, Mauryan and Han courts built bureaucracies to manage harvests and defend borders. And everywhere, new ideas took flight. Philosophers asked what it means to be good, while faiths like Confucianism, Buddhism, and Hinduism explored order and liberation. The laws and beliefs shaped then still echo today, but these empires were not isolated. Along the Silk Roads and ancient sea lanes, goods and ideas moved with astonishing speed. Silk, spice, and stories traveled one way, new faiths and deadly plagues the other. The world was connecting. In a 10th century Baghdad library, a translator studies the stars, while a merchant from Chang'an unrolls a paper map. Knowledge, once local, was becoming global. Across continents, new forces accelerated this connection. The Islamic world became a center for learning. Mongol horsemen forged an empire linking east and west. Then, European ships crossed the oceans, creating the first global economy. This Columbian exchange moved silver and crops, but it was built on the stolen lives of millions. This great convergence brought humanity closer, while also creating brutal new conflicts. The centuries that followed were defined by revolution. A rebirth in art and science challenged old truths. People demanded rights, overthrew kings, and forged nations. Factories roared to life, remaking the planet. But this new power led to unprecedented destruction: the First World War, the Second World War, and the long shadow of the Cold War. Today, we live in the wake of those storms, shaped by a digital revolution connecting us in ways our ancestors never imagined. We face shared challenges: a changing climate, global health, born from this history. Understanding these beginnings is not an academic exercise. It explains the world we inhabit. It shapes our debates on justice, our sense of identity, and what we believe is possible. The story is not over. It is the foundation upon which we build the future.